In this exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make an asymmetrical half shoulder neckline with very easy steps. So this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. If you'd love to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe for more. So an asymmetric off shoulder is just a modification of a basic bodice block. So I have with me a basic bodice block. So all you have to do is draft your basic bodice block. Then I'll show you how to transform it into a fancy asymmetrical off shoulder pattern. So after cutting off the neckline, I'm just going to open it up. I have the left and right side for the front. And next is to decide where you want, which side, the left or right side of the shoulder, where you want the modification to take place from. So I'm going to choose this part of the shoulder. I'm going to find the midpoint of this shoulder. Then after finding the midpoint, I'm going to connect it down to my armhole. So you can use a straight ruler depending on what shape you want, or you can use a curve ruler to connect the 2 points. So I'm going to be using a curve ruler in my case. So I'm just going to connect the 2. So if you want your straight ruler, it's going to come out just straight and blunt. But if you use a curve ruler, it will make some form of shape that is curved. So I'm just going to connect with my curve ruler, as you can see me do. Then as simple as that, that's how you make the asymmetrical of half shoulder pattern. So guys, if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell.